Identify the installation area from the survey plan. Simulate the installation surface by using the New Installation Area in Plan View. Define tilt and size, acquired from the on-site survey plan. Set the installation surface's elevation from a reference plane. Set the building's north-south orientation using the orientation object. Set the system as coplanar to installation surface. At this point the program will automatically return module placing and orientation according to the roof plane, azimuth SE and 30 degrees tilt.